We are going to Trader Joe's to get my favorite gluten-free thingamabobs that I like there. So, Ryan is the man behind the camera.
Let's do this. Let's do it.
So, let's go.
Fun fact about Trader Joe's. Aldi, which is a German company, used to be owned by two brothers, and it split into Aldi North and Aldi South. The brother that went with Aldi North made Trader Joe's, and regular Aldi is from the brother that did Aldi South. They split over differences on whether they should sell cigarettes or not. That is all.
Tale of Two Brothers, told by Ryan.
By the way, Aldi is our family's favorite grocery store. Amazing prices on groceries if you live next to an Aldi.
But the sad story is,
we don't live next to an Aldi.
not even like
So
close. Not even close.
Not even close. So we use Winco, which has okay prices. Winco and Grocery Outlet. But Aldi, come to the Northwest.
And we go to Trader Joe's sometimes.
Sometimes we do. Like now.
Yeah. I come to Trader Joe's. I'm dragging him along. But you were the one who found the oatmeal here.
Oh, yeah, oatmeal. Gluten-free oatmeal.
So let's do this. I gotta grab my bags because it's not Aldi where you have to pay yet. We're getting close. But you can't go into Trader Joe's and not have grocery bags, right?
Well, I
Is that a shame?
I don't know anything about it.
No, I'm talking about how like Trader Joe's is like all like natural, healthy.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I like it.
Anyway.
Well, I wonder if I got the outside. All right, what's up?
Hey, so these are some of my favorite shortcuts for pizza. We have the broccoli and kale, which I was the only one in the family who loved.
I don't like it.
No. And then the cauliflower pizza crust. So these are great, easy. They do have corn in them, but gluten-free, dairy-free, yummy, easy. Actually, like that.
Woo. Oh, you also have regular pizza.
But it, oh yeah. Some.
Cauliflower crust.
Oh look, it's only $1 more to get the cheese pizza than to just get the crust. Nice there. So the cool part about Trader Joe's is they always have samples, right? Of course, they're not always gluten-free. But what I do like is they have the coffee and stevia so that you can sweeten it, which is really cool. So, okay, I feel like okay. These are some of my favorite like little, I use them like snacks. So when I travel, I tend to come to here because the worst thing is when you're driving, you know, when you're driving it on a trip and you stop somewhere and you want a snack and like nothing's gluten free. So I love these and oh, I love the sliced almonds here are a fantastic deal. It's only $4 and I love to get these when so what I really like.
What do you got?
Ready?
For me here. What's going on?
Okay, so this is one of the best spots here in Trader Joe's. They have really decent gluten-free stuff. This one is actually my favorite for the gluten-free bread. It's just the white plain. Although the cinnamon raisin one is really good with butter. And then their bagels are good, but when they have their pumpkin gluten-free bagels in the fall, amazing. And here is the biggest thing that we have found here that's not healthy. They have these cupcakes, which are pink for Valentine's Day, but Ryan, do you remember the first time you had one of these? And
yeah, I couldn't believe they were real, like gluten-free.
I know. So
they didn't taste gluten-free.
Here, get in the picture, get in the video. So the first time Ryan had some of these, he's like, Tiana, are you sure these are gluten-free?
Yeah.
Like, are you sure?
Yeah, because they taste real.
Especially if you haven't had like gluten cupcakes in a while, these taste amazing. They're not low sugar. My sweet son looked at it and pointed out that one of these is as much sugar as a soda.
They're so good.
I trained him too well. Okay, what is a staple gluten-free item you have to have in your house? Gluten-free pasta. This is one that I really love, the black bean. It's really good and hearty. It's a favorite. And I love the bean pastas because they have more protein. So you got these. Okay, so I'm always about making things from scratch when you can, but also being realistic. So these are really tasty, easy to make. And one tip I've learned when you're doing a pre-packaged thing when it comes gluten-free, you mix it up per directions and then you let it sit for 30 minutes before you bake it. It actually makes a difference. I don't really know why. It just does. So do it. The other one is, this cornbread mix is pretty good too. Again, I like making my own so I can kind of customize it for what we like, but it's really handy in a pinch.
And if you buy this, you will look like that guy. Huh?
No.
No, I'm just asking if we can get this. I want these.
What is it, Ryan?
Freeze-dried. I want to try these out. Blueberries, freeze-dried.
Just for you?
Yes.
So this is our #1 favorite thing to get at Trader Joe's. It is the gluten-free oatmeal. It's 2 pounds for $4, which is a great price.
It's a great price for gluten-free
So
oats.
we used to come and just like grab tons of these bags and just stock up our freezer because we do a lot of oatmeal. Anyone else out there? But the gluten-free makes a huge difference, even though you might not realize it. So always make sure that your gluten-free oats, always make sure your oatmeal is actually gluten-free. Let's get a couple of these. Okay, so a staple in our house as a gluten-free family is often your tortilla chips. I don't know about any of you guys, but my 11-year-old son is obsessed. He's obsessed with like the spicy Doritos and things. These are fantastic because not only are they gluten-free, yeah, down here, they have no red dye. And actually, I learned from talking to one of the guys up there, nothing in Trader Joe's has red dye or artificial colorings and flavorings. So it's really awesome and very like, makes life easier as a mom trying to avoid those things. Okay, so rice cakes feel like they're so like 1990s, right? Diet. But they're actually really good. And I love this brand because this is literally just like puffed brown rice and salt. And I like to put peanut butter on it or things like that. And really tasty, and I kind of hit that snack craving, what have you, without being crazy calories or whatever. So if you guys are like me and like rice cakes, I'd love to hear what you like to put on yours. Okay.
Ready to go?
We made it out alive.
Yes, we
but
did.
It looks like we've got a lot of rain here we're gonna walk through. Oh my gosh, Ryan, it's in the northwest and it's raining. But we had fun. I tried to restrain Ryan. I think for the most part, I stopped Ryan from buying everything in the store.
I would have. It's a really nice store. What I really like about Trader Joe's is their theme. They're all themed a little different. So the ones in Texas were themed more towards the south, and this one here is themed towards Spokane.
Because that's where we are.
I like it. It's like a little niche.
Niche.
Isn't
that a great word? Niche. But really what's cool about Trader Joe's is that you feel like you're shopping at kind of a more fancier or, I don't know, specialized store, but then the prices aren't crazy like some places.
For sure. Yeah, they're reasonably priced and got good stuff.
Yeah, and there's a lot of little awesome convenient stuff, and the produce is awesome. The chicken and meat and stuff is really fresh. I really like it. So let us know if this video has been helpful, useful. We also have done a video on our favorite gluten-free things that we always have at home.
Yeah.
That'd be a great one to check out.
Linked out. Yeah. Be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to comment. She comments back on everybody. So.
Yes, I am such a people person that I'm like, oh, hi, you're my new friend. Yay, let's chat.
Yeah. Go ahead and leave a comment, see if she responds.
So Ryan, what do you think about those
Delicious.
blueberry things? Are they pretty much lasting about 3 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
I think. Oh, look at this. Best smiles ever. Totally eat these before a date. Highly recommended.